Hi guys, welcome to the Baklang Canal Show.
I am here, guys, and this is my 1000th vlog. And I'm barefooted. Ang arte ng barefooted. Di ba kita? Nakapana nga lang. Hey, Queens! Ayan, na-late kami. Wala kami sa float. We're literally walking. But it's so fun. Happy Pride, everyone. Chef, hindi pa po tapos yung march. Hindi pa natatapos yung dulo ng pila ng march. Happy! Now, I'm a vlogger now. Ang kulit eh. Pato ko nila. Uwe, nakakatawa. Nakakatawa yun. Ay, dito tayo. Yes, we're here now. Almond video ko to for my vlog. Di ba niya alam? Di alam na tumakas ka. Or hindi ka makaka-stream ka ba? Baka kasi nagkamali ako, hindi ko alam kung mamali. Guys, may free tubig. Courtesy of Sip. May free water. I love it. May free water.
Those who are in the closet, those people who can march with us. We hope that we will be all together, and this is for everybody.
El Shaddai! El Shaddai! Excuse me po, ano po masasabi niyo na Pride March, tas wala po nagtitinda ng Pride detergent?
Baka siguro nakaano sila tayo.
Ba't ka po nahihiya magpakita? Mukha ka naman nababad sa Pride. It's so weird na we're here at Pride, pero wala nagbibigay ng tapon. So Pride detergent. I think everyone. Yeah, this is a very good platform for you to sell your soap and your detergent. Hey Clarence, ano masasabi mo na Pride March pero wala nagtitinda ng Pride detergent? Hey! such a very monumental day. And let's giving happy Pride, everyone! Nagpa-fireworks kami, kaya nyo ha? Mayaman kami!
Hi, I love you.
Feel free to sing with us.